Hi, 𝗧 here with a Tai Chi for Balance practice video. In this video, I'll guide you through a set of circles 1 through 3. That's vertical circles plus 𝗂 squat, vertical circles plus weight shift, vertical circles plus weight shift plus hip turn. We'll do 20 repetitions of each circle, including direction changes and stance changes. Don't worry, I'll count. So we'll start out. Establish the basic alignments of neutral posture. Feet parallel, under the hips, knees unlocked, tailbone relaxed down, midriff open, create some space in this part of you, and then continue that gentle lifting up the spine to where the spine meets the skull, the occiput. Soften the shoulders, release the upper back, let your chest sink and relax. Feel your feet. Balance the pressures in your feet. Feel your center. The line from the crown point, the top of your head, straight down your body to the perineum, the base of the pelvis. In Tai Chi for Balance, we aim to maintain a vertical center, except when we intentionally incline it, as in a 𝗂 squat. So with that, let's begin. Sink into a 𝗂 squat. Bring your hands to the back of your vertical circle. Feel your feet. Ideally, the pressure is balanced in your feet. Feel your center. It's inclined slightly. Now stretch up through the legs and the quad, a circle up and out. Sink back into the legs and the quad, a circle down and back. Vertical circles plus 𝗂 squat. Feeling your feet. The pressures in your feet might change a little bit as you move. You want them, when you come to the front of your circle, balance those pressures as your center comes to the vertical. Lightly stretching to the front of the circle, releasing that stretch as you bend to the back of the circle. Aiming for smooth, continuous, connected movement. Lightly stretching to the front of the circle, bending to the back. Stretching up through the legs to come out of the 𝗂 squat, coming back to the vertical at the front of your circle, sinking to a 𝗂 squat to the back. So come to the back of your circle, change directions. Feeling for a sense of how stretching up through the legs, help stretch the arms out. Sinking to the 𝗂 squat, draws the hands back. Smooth, connected, whole body movement. What we're aiming for in Tai Chi for Balance. Two more. Come to the back of your circle. Take a stance. Adjust your stance for stability and comfort. Now we'll add the weight shift to our vertical circle. So shift weight back of the circle. Feel your feet. Feel your center. Align your center in the vertical. Then shift weight forward, circle forward. Shift weight back, circle back. Shift weight forward, circle forward. Shift weight back, circle back. Feeling your feet. Feeling the pressure in your feet constantly change as you shift weight. Feeling your center, aiming to maintain your center in the vertical. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. Lightly stretching to the front of the circle, bending to the back of the circle. Feeling your center, aiming to maintain it in the vertical. Feeling for any tendency to lean forward as you extend the arms, and if you do, correct it, back to the vertical. Come to the back of your circle. Change your stance, please. Shift weight back, back of the circle. Smoothly shift weight forward, circle forward. Shift weight back, circle back. Come to the back of your vertical circle. Change directions. Lightly stretching to the front of the circle, releasing that stretch as you bend to the back of the circle. Nice, that feels good. Coming to the back of your circle. Change your stance, please. Let's add the hip turn. So shift weight back, turn your hips into the weighted leg, back of the circle. Feel your feet. Feel your center, align it in the vertical. Check in with your knees. Want to maintain their alignments. Check in with your 4 points. We want to maintain their alignments. Then shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle forward. Shift weight back, turn your hips, circle back. Shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle forward. Shift weight back, turn your hips, circle back. Feeling your feet. Pressure's constantly changing. Feeling your center. Aiming to maintain it in the vertical. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. Checking in with your knees. Maintaining your knees over the feet. Kneecaps aligned with the toes. No collapsing in or out. No twisting. Taking care of your knees as you do this movement. Come to the back of your circle. Change your stance, please. Shift weight back, turn your hips into the weighted leg. Smoothly shift weight forward, circle forward. Shift weight back, circle back. Maintaining the alignment of your 4 points. Feeling for the sense of the torso, neck, and head, riding along over the legs and the pelvis. Moving in an increasingly connected whole body way. Nice, nice. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. Two more. Come to the back of your circle. Smoothly back to neutral. I encourage you to stand in neutral posture for a moment. Feel how you feel after 60 repetitions of 3 different types of vertical circles. It's beginning to feel like exercise, but connected whole body exercise, emphasizing increasing whole body awareness, increasingly precise posture control. That's Tai Chi for Balance. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.